In this video, you will learn how to upload high quality snaps on Snapchat. First, enable video quality settings. Open Snapchat. Tap on your profile icon, then click the settings. Scroll to video settings or advanced. Set video quality high. Use a strong internet connection. Make sure to connect to stable Wi-Fi or strong mobile data. Slow internet can reduce upload quality. Clean your camera lens. Gently wipe your lens to avoid blurriness or dull images. Clear lens equals sharper snaps. Record using this Snapchat camera. Use Snapchat's built-in camera instead of uploading from your gallery. Snaps recorded in the app are less compressed, so will be better quality. Keep Snapchat updated. Go to the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Make sure to update the latest version of Snapchat to improve your quality. Avoid zooming in. Zooming in can reduce your clarity. Getting closer instead of zooming in makes better detail and higher quality images. Now you know how to upload high quality images on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.